going to teach you integers exercise 7.3. So let's start some question on the exercise 7.3. In this exercise, we have already solved some question in which we have solved the addition of integers using number line. Here today, we shall solve the question which are based on the concept of absolute value. So before starting the question, let me explain the absolute value once again. Okay, this will help you to solve the question. So let us see the absolute value. As we know that the integers are of two types. The first one is positive and the second is negative integer. The positive integers are written with the sign of plus or it may be not, but the negative integers are written with the sign of minus. So when we find their absolute value, the absolute value will be written without their sign. Okay, just think about if the positive integer is plus 7 and the negative integer is minus 6, then if we find out their absolute value, then we write them in the two vertical lines known as mod, or we can say that modulus value, and when we write its absolute value, then we get 7 only. So here we write 7, which is signless, or we can say that it has been written without sign. So this is the absolute value of the positive integer plus sign plus 7. Similarly here we write these two vertical lines and this is known as the modulus value, and if we find its value then we get only 6. That is, here we write the absolute value which is without its sign, so that the absolute value of the integer are written with their initial sign is called their absolute value. Okay, now let's start the question on the concept of absolute value. Add the following integers using the concept of absolute value. Okay, so what is the question? Minus 4632 plus 2468. This is the given question, and here we have to add them using the concept of absolute value. So first of all, we write them in the modulus form. Then we write here minus 4632 plus mod of 2468, and we get here 4632 plus 2468, and then we add, we get 10 plus 2 plus 8 0 10, 3 plus 6 9, 10, 6 plus 4 10 11, and this will be 7. So this is our required result. Okay students, so I hope that you get the solution of the given question. So this is the addition of integer using the concept of absolute value. Okay, now let's see the next. In the second question, the second is 782 plus 364 minus 62 plus minus 576. So this is the given question, and here we have to solve them using the concept of absolute value. So let's start. So here, first of all, we shall write them in the modulus form like this: 782 plus minus 364 plus minus 576, and then we get 782 plus 364 plus 576. Okay, now we shall add them, then we get 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 7 21, and 21 plus 1 22, carry 2. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 and the carry 2 is 17. So this is our required result, and I hope that you get the solution easily. Okay, so this is the solution of the given question using the concept of absolute value. Okay, now let us see the next question, which is based on the associative property. Using associative property and the following integer. Okay, and let us see the next, the what is the question. So student, here the given question is 200 plus minus 33 plus minus 67, and here we have to solve this using associative property. So here we write 200 plus, and we write in the brackets minus 33 plus minus 67, like this, because we know that if a, b, c are any integer, then we can write them a plus b plus c, or a plus b plus c. So here we use this concept and we have write them. And now solve them, we get 200 plus minus 33 plus minus 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 67, and here both integers are negative, so they will be added and give us 200 plus minus 100, or this will be 200 plus minus minus, and it will give us minus 100, or this will be equal to 100, which is our required result. Okay friends, so this is the solution of this given question using the property of associativity. Okay, so I hope you get the solution using the associative property. If you have any question, then you can comment. Okay, and just see the solution. Let's see our next question. The second question is 1022 1022 plus minus 663 plus minus 922 and plus 333. Okay, so this is the question, and in this question we can see that there are four terms, or you can say that there are four integers, but we have studied about only three terms are given, then we can use associative property. So in order to use associative property, first of all we have to arrange them so that we can apply associative property. Okay, so let's do our rearrangement here. So we have 1022 plus minus 663 and plus 333 plus minus 922. We can also write them like this, and now we can apply the associative property on these three terms. So here we get 1022 plus minus 663 plus 333 and plus minus 922, and this will equal to 1022 plus, when we subtract them, because there is one integer is negative and other is positive, so that they will be subtracted and give us minus 300 and plus minus 922, and here we once again get three terms of integers, and here we are able to apply associativity property once again. So here just apply the associative property once again. Before this we have to do a small arrangement here. So here we do the small arrangement. 1022 plus minus 922 and plus minus 300. Okay, and now we apply the associativity property. We get 1022 plus minus 922 and plus minus 300 like this, and when we solve we get 1022 plus minus minus, and this will give us 922 and plus minus minus, and this will be 300. And in the next step we get 1022 minus 922, we get 100 minus 300. Okay, and when we subtract them, then here we get minus 200 as our result. I hope is that clear to all. Okay, so this is the solution of the given question, and I hope that there is no doubt. So please see every step that given here and just try to understand what does the solution explaining here explain here, so that this is the given solution of the question. If you have any doubt, then please go to the comment section and mention your doubt. I would like to clear your doubt in my next video. Okay? And here I give you some question for your practice. So just take the screenshot of this question and try to solve at your home. So let me write what are the questions. So there is our first question is 1 plus 1 plus minus 325 plus minus 325 plus 650 plus 650 and plus 1000. This is the complete one question because there is no more space. That is why I wrote here. So this is the first question that you have to solve at your home. And what write the next question 879 plus minus 897 and plus minus 978 minus 978. So this is the second question and you have to solve this. Okay student. So we shall meet in our next video with new question. Till then, goodbye.